Hi, I'm Doug Carroll. Welcome to our session on equity swaps. Today we're going to give you a broad overview of this rapidly evolving section of the derivatives markets. And today we'll start out with a brief introduction of swaps in general, but then rapidly segue to a quick intro, in fact, what he swaps. Look at the various details of the contracts, the applications that market participants use them for, as well as pricing and valuation issues. This course is a broad overview of this rapidly evolving section of the derivatives market, covering contract details and pricing and much more. Swaps in general will be introduced, and then the course will segue into an introduction to equity swaps. Look at the various details of the equity smart contracts, the applications that market participants use them for, as well as pricing and valuation issues. This course contains 18 lectures divided into 5 sections, including Introduction to Equity Swaps, Contracts, OTC clearinghouses, equity swaps, structures and applications, variance swaps. Jump in and join us in this course.